Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix color banding on sunset photos on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus smartphone. To do that, we're gonna have to open settings on this device and then scroll down to display. And here in display, let's change the color mode of the phone by going to screen mode option and switching it to vivid. Here you can also adjust the vivid mode by adjusting the white balance, making the colors warmer or cooler depending on your preference and on what looks better for sunset photos. Then also in advanced settings we can adjust the colors and increase the vividness, which I think is the most important part of it all. And then if the photo is still banded, then avoid using low brightness levels as your phone's displays, which uses 8-bit FRC panel, struggles at minimum brightness levels. And if you increase the brightness of your smartphone high enough, then it will solve the issue. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.